So, you want to be an affiliate marketer, but you don't have a website, or you don't want to make a website. That's okay. Coming right up, I'm going to give you 3 ways you can still be a highly successful affiliate marketer without any website whatsoever. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. 3 things before we dive into this. The first one is, please, if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, click subscribe, click the bell down below. I promise you I put out tons of very valuable content on how to crush it as an affiliate marketer. So go ahead and do that. The second thing is, if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you some really cool things. One of them, I'm going to show you how to actually get a website. If you decide you want a website set up in like 45 seconds, okay? Seriously, the easiest thing on planet Earth. And the second thing is I'm going to give you access to a totally free training where I'll tell you how to get there at the end. And I'm going to teach you how I was able to make literally a full-time income and win a car, all to boot, all before I had 10,000 successful YouTube, or 10,000 YouTube subscribers, okay? And now let's dive right in. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 ways, hopefully in 5 minutes or less, on how you can make an affiliate commission without having a website. Not the greatest way to do it, but totally possible, okay? I'm gonna sweep through my tabs here. The first one is direct linking in AdWords, okay? Now, a couple things to note. Not every affiliate program is going to let you do this. A lot of them have rules against it. And the second thing to note is the affiliate programs have to have a special kind of link that actually links to their pages, and they're not kind of like these funny affiliate links that you see a lot of times with affiliate programs that, you know, the link doesn't actually like show the domain in the link. That has to show the domain in the link for this to work. But if they do allow it and it does show the domain in the link, then you can actually run ads just like this, okay? So this is not one of my ads. This is not anything I'm doing here. But what you do is you take people that are looking for that affiliate product. Okay, so the example here is ActiveCampaign, which is an email marketing software, right? And essentially you put an ad in Google AdWords, and when people search for ActiveCampaign, you put an ad that has your affiliate link in front of them. Like I said, this is not my ad. ActiveCampaign does not allow this. I'm just giving you an example. This is ActiveCampaign themselves running this ad. But I've done this with multiple programs, and it just depends on what their rules are, okay? Typically, you're looking for kind of smaller programs, not as many rules, not as big of a team, so they're not running their own AdWords, okay? And then you can do this. All you do is you run an ad just like this with that brand's search, and you run it to your direct affiliate link. Very, very easy to do, right? You're taking people that are already looking for it, you're handing them an affiliate link, and they're clicking, and 10, 20, 30% of them are buying, and boom, that's all there is to it. So that's the first way. The second way is YouTube reviews, okay? This is honestly my personal favorite. If you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to see lots and lots of different reviews about different products that I use and love. But all you got to do is take products within a certain niche or industry, and you're going to review those products, and then you're going to put your YouTube review in the description, okay? So you can see in the description of this YouTube video, there's a link. So when you leave the review, you mention multiple times out through the review, hey, if you want to get access to this product, go ahead and click that link down below, okay? So you don't have to have a channel, or you don't have to have a website. You do have to have a YouTube channel. Hopefully you're okay with doing some work to make some affiliate commissions here, even if you don't have a website. Pro tip, if you decide to do this, a really cool thing you can do is you can type in -review, kind of like you see on my screen there, and then you can start going through letters, okay? So I can type in R, and it's going to give me all the big R words that have, that someone's looking for with review. Ryan's Toys review, Rage 2 review, Ryan Toy review, blah, blah. I can do it with Q, see? W, E, R. So you see all these different things. That gives you a great idea of some things that you can review. Look at all these things that you can review, or some niches that you can review. US review, I don't even know what 90% of these words are, crazy enough, but there's a great source there for you to just be able to quickly see products that you can make reviews about that people are looking for because YouTube is suggesting it. Okay, third thing. By the way, what do you guys think about that? Like, I didn't find this little method out till a few months ago, and I was so excited. Like, it's the coolest little thing ever. It only takes a few seconds, and it's a cool little trick that you can do. Anyways, let me know if you like that trick down below. Anyway, third thing, Facebook profile, okay? I'm going to use an example here of one of my friends on Facebook, and he honestly, I've never seen anyone do this better than him. Hopefully he's okay with me using him as an example. But what you're going to do is you're going to add, 3, 4, 5,000 people as Facebook friends that are in your target market, okay? So whatever niche your affiliate links are in, you're going to add people that actually could benefit from that affiliate product, okay? So now you've got 4 or 5,000 friends that could benefit from that affiliate product. Then you're going to start posting every single day. And about 1 every 3 or 1 every 4 times you post, you're going to want to do something like this. Like I said, this guy does it so good, and that's why I'm using his example. Would you trade $20 for a software that produced the below amazing results? I've never seen anything like this, and I've seen a ton. $400 in commissions, blah, 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 okay. I can't say for sure if this is an affiliate link. I'm pretty sure yeah, just kidding. I can't say for sure. It is an affiliate link. But anyway, so you can see he does a really, really high quality post. You guys should all follow this guy so you can use him as an example, and maybe you can get access to some cool softwares that he brings up as well. But anyway, really cool, high quality post. And then you leave an affiliate link right there, right? Click this, and then I believe he offers some bonuses for anyone. Yeah, and I'm going to give a bonus to anybody that actually buys through my link, okay? Really, really cool thing to do. Really, really easy to do, especially if you have 3,000 or 4,000 friends, right? It's totally free traffic from Facebook. You don't have to spend money on ads or anything like that. You know, and it's really easy to do. It's not that hard to get a couple thousand people to accept your friend request. People on Facebook are crazy and accept friend requests from all kinds of terrible profile pictures, no profile pictures, things like that. Okay, the fourth way is Pinterest, okay? And I'm actually just now getting into this, so I'm not even going to pretend like I'm any kind of expert. But Pinterest just changed their rules, so now you don't have to link to a website if you don't want. You can actually make a post and link directly to an affiliate offer, okay? So all you have to do is be able to make a little picture like this. And this picture that I'm showing you right here took me literally like less than 1 minute to make, okay? I threw in that background image, I added these in like 10 seconds, and boom, it's not that bad of a looking picture. It's got a call to action and stuff like that, right? And it links directly to an affiliate link, actually. Okay, now the important thing to note here is Pinterest is okay with you linking directly to affiliate offers, but sometimes they won't link to specific pages, like they don't like specific pages for whatever reason, so you'll need to use some kind of link forwarding software, okay? So a good example, I'm going to leave a link down below. It's something called ClickMagick. It's like $14 a month, and it's a software that can you can make links that look like that looks like it's going to buildapreneur.com, but when you actually click the link, it sends to buildapreneur.com, and then it forwards it on to another to the actual affiliate site. Okay, so this is just an example I'm showing you right here. Forwarded onto this. You can see this is my affiliate link right here, coming from Pinterest as a direct link, and I'm using that software just in case Pinterest decides they don't like that website down the road or something like that. Okay, plus it helps me track and get a lot of data on people that are clicking the link and things like that. So Pinterest direct linking, all you gotta do is add an image and then add a link. It takes like literally 3 or 4 minutes to do this total. Okay, fifth way. The fifth way is personal touch, okay? I see a lot of people doing this, and it's honestly the fastest way to make a few commissions. This is just to talking to people, like literally talking to people. And the best one I use for this is Amazon. I'm not totally sure if it's against their terms or whatnot, but you can go sign up to be an Amazon affiliate down here somewhere. There's so many things down there now. But anyway, type in like affiliate. There it is, become an affiliate. You can sign up for an affiliate program, and you'll be able to get affiliate links, and then you just refer people verbally, okay? Like, hey, you're talking to somebody, you're talking to a messenger, you're talking to them like literally, physically talking to someone, like people don't do very much these days, and you can be like, hey, you need this camera, or you need this microphone right here, or you need, you're going to need this to do what you're looking for, and then you give them an Amazon affiliate link, and you get like a tiny percentage. It's like 4 to 8 to 10% total. But anyway, just a personal touch, just providing like literal personal value to people, and you'll find that people are always asking questions, and you can refer them to products that sell on Amazon very, very easily. And if depending on what niche you're in, you can be referring people to digital cameras or really expensive things like that. So the 5 ways, quick recap. AdWords, easiest way of all if the affiliate program allows it. YouTube reviews, my personal favorite, because you can make money 6 months or a year down the road from the time you make the review. Passive income in your sleep. Third best way, Facebook profile, just like this guy. You're going to add a bunch of friends, and then you're going to make posts that look very similar to this. Fourth best way, direct linking in Pinterest. Very, very easy and quick to do. Haven't seen a ton of success yet, but I'm also very, very new to this, so definitely a possibility. And then the fifth is personal touch. Just sign up for some of these affiliate programs and start telling people about them. If you like the program or you like the product, just start telling people about them, and then when they say, oh yeah, I'm kind of interested, text them a link or send them a link or whatever you want to do. Okay? So those are the 5 ways. Now, before we finish, I want to tell you 2 things. The first thing is, as an affiliate marketer, you're going to want a website. You're going to want a website because you want to capture email addresses, okay? There's a lot more that goes into this, but I want to say right now, as an affiliate marketer, if you want to succeed, you need to capture people's email addresses because you can own that because it's your business, okay? All of these can go away. Pinterest can ban your account. Facebook can ban your account. YouTube can ban your account. AdWords can ban your account. But if you capture email addresses, those are yours, and you can email them forever, okay? So I'm going to show you real quick. This is a little website. I had a friend named Mike Lazarus that gave me access to this website, and I want to give him credit for it because he's awesome for building this. But you can literally click the link down below, and you can import exactly what you're looking at right here into a ClickFunnels account. So if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, you'll have to pay for a ClickFunnels account, obviously. It's a monthly fee, but you can have a website literally that fast. You just have to put your picture in there, right? And then you have to add whatever your thing is, and you can capture their email. Boom, pops up, and you can capture an email. And now you have a business. Now you're capturing people's email addresses instead of just sending traffic directly somewhere, so you're actually nowhere involved in there, and you know, a month down the road or a year down the road, I promise you will regret it when you get shut down, as affiliate marketers always seem to be. So you're definitely going to want a website. Here's a really easy way to get a website if you want a website. The second thing is I promised you the free training. As soon as I stop talking here, it's going to pop up at the top there. It's going to be a link to a free training where I show you how I was able to make a full-time income, how I'm able to make a full-time income right now, honestly, with affiliate marketing, and win 2 cars to boot. Okay, I'll give you a good, the training basically looks inside of my business and shows you the strategies that I use to do that. The car's pretty cool. Anyway, we'll show somewhere on the screen that car that I won. So, thank you so much for watching. Remember, take life by the horns.